My name is Austin Swain. I live in Marietta, Georgia. Waterproof group came in and they did a good inspection, brought me around, kind of showed me everything that was going on, showed me where there was entry for the water, kind of give me a good insight on exactly what was happening. I called the waterproof group when I realized that there was some water coming into my basement after a pretty hard rainstorm. I was looking to reach out for someone who could kind of help me. Got up at 2 a.m. in the morning one day and, trying to get water out of the basement floor. The waterproof group came in. They had to take out some of the sheetrock to get the foundation wall to really take care of the issue that we were having. I no longer have water in the basement. I'm not getting up at 2 a.m. in the morning to shot back out water. Every time it rains, I no longer stress that there's going to be an intrusion of water into my space. I'm not losing furniture. I'm not losing, sheetrock, and it's not ruining my floors anymore. I can sleep through the night now when there's a rainstorm. I'm less stressed every time that we have rain coming in. I know that everything downstairs is going to be safe and secured, knowing that the waterproof group was involved. We can now use the downstairs area for family functions for the kids. I feel safe with them going downstairs, that there's not going to be any problems, with water intrusion. I really like that Justin was always in constant communication with me. Tito and him also, they have great knowledge of what was going on. Anytime that I have questions, they were knowledgeable to answer them. The constant communication of when they were coming, when they were leaving. They were in and out pretty quickly, a day and a half for a job that I expected to take longer. They were very knowledgeable and knocked it out for me. Eric was very knowledgeable. Anytime that I had questions, I could reach out to him and he was very quick to answer and give me the correct way that things should be handled. And at the end of the day, I knew that I was getting the best price. If anyone was ever on the fence with working with Waterproof Group, I'd tell them don't be. They really did a great job, and I highly recommend I do it again.